Factor VIII Rec, FC Fusion Prot Solution, Reconstituted, Recon Soln, is a medication used to control and prevent bleeding in people with hemophilia A, a condition characterized by low levels of Factor VIII. It is also given before surgery to prevent excessive bleeding in individuals with this condition. Factor VIII is a protein in normal blood that helps form blood clots and stop bleeding after an injury. People with low levels of Factor VIII may experience prolonged bleeding after an injury or surgery, as well as bleeding inside the body, particularly in the joints and muscles. This medication contains man-made Factor VIII to temporarily replace the natural Factor VIII in the body, and it is connected to an antibody to help it work longer. When used to control and prevent bleeding, Factor VIII Rec, FC Fusion Prot Solution, Reconstituted may help relieve pain and prevent long-term damage caused by hemophilia A. It is important to note that this medication should not be used to treat von Willebrand disease. The dosage and timing of this medication should be determined by a healthcare professional. Before you start using Factor VIII Rec, FC Fusion Prot Solution, Reconstituted, Recon Soln, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. This medication is given by injection into a vein as directed by your doctor. The injection time may be different, depending on your dose and how you respond to it. Some people may be able to give this medication to themselves at home, if directed by their doctor. If that's the case, make sure to learn all preparation and usage instructions in the product package. Also, be sure to check the medication for any particles or discoloration before using it. If the medication and the solution used to mix it are refrigerated, take them out of the refrigerator ahead of time and let them come to room temperature before mixing. After mixing, gently swirl to completely dissolve the powder. Do not shake. Use the mixed medication as soon as possible, but no later than 3 hours after mixing. Do not refrigerate the mixed medication. The dosage of this medication is based on your medical condition, weight, blood test results, and response to treatment. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully and let them know if your condition does not improve or if it worsens. When taking Factor VIII Rec, FC Fusion Prot Solution, Reconstituted, Recon Soln, it's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed it because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While most people don't experience serious side effects, it's important to be aware of any possible allergic reactions. If you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, dizziness, or difficulty breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's also important to note that this isn't a complete list of potential side effects, so if you experience anything unusual, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. As with any medication, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions regarding dosage and timing. Be sure to take Factor VIII Rec, FC Fusion Prot Solution, Reconstituted, Recon Soln, as prescribed for the best results. Before using Factor VIII Rec, FC Fusion Prot Solution, Reconstituted, Recon Soln, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to antihemophilic factor, Factor VIII, products or any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. You should also inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication, and let them know about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, especially before having any surgery. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when necessary, and you should discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it is not known if this medication passes into breast milk. Some brands of this medication may recommend checking your pulse while giving yourself the injection, and if your heart starts to beat faster, you may need to adjust the injection. Always consult your doctor for more details and guidance on using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If you or someone else has taken too much Factor VIII Rec, FC Fusion Prot Solution, reconstituted and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It is important not to share this medication with others. Your doctor may request lab blood tests to monitor your factor VIII levels and check for factor VIII inhibitors while you are using this medication. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. When using factor VIII recombinant, Fc fusion protein solution, reconstituted, it is crucial to ensure that each dose is taken as directed by your healthcare provider. If you happen to miss a dose, it is important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to establish a new dosing schedule. It is essential not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. This medication should be taken according to the prescribed dosage and schedule to ensure its effectiveness in managing your condition. When storing factor VIII Rec, Fc Fusion Prot Solution, reconstituted, Recon Soln, make sure to keep it in its original package and store it in the refrigerator or at room temperature as directed by the manufacturer. Avoid freezing and do not store it in the bathroom. Keep it away from light and moisture. Once mixed, use the medication within 3 hours and discard any unused portion. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding the product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly dispose of the product and it is expired or no longer needed. Consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.